right, family, you see it. I bet you probably thought you'd never see this one though, did you? Well, just so you know, again, if you're new to this channel, I've owned 2 restaurants. I've managed dozens of them. I've been at the upper level of management when it comes to restaurants. So I've done everything in the restaurant from the front door to the back. I've washed dishes in suits as a restaurant manager. So I can do it all. And the one thing I'm most proud of learning how to do is to make drinks. So as a bartender, I kind of learned on the fly. No one really sat me down and taught me drinks, but I just, watched some people do their thing. So today, we're going to get into a lemon drop, and I'm going to have more drinks coming for you. Now, I'm not particularly a vodka person, but if it's a good drink, I can really get into it. And a good lemon drop is one of those things that I can really get into. For the record, I'm a bourbon guy. Oh, I love some bourbon. Oh, man. We'll get into that later. So let me go ahead and show you what I have here. First and foremost, got some simple syrup. Simple syrup is basically water and sugar. You get the water as hot as you can, or just get it hot, melt so that the sugar can melt in it. Put a lot of sugar in it so by the time it cools off, it's nice and thick. That's simple syrup. If you're going to be a person that likes to make cocktails, you're going to need some simple syrup, okay? We got our lemons. Now, I'm not going to use all of these lemons in the drink. Just for some flavor, I'll probably use 2 of them. And then here we have some absolute citron. Now, here we have some sugar that we're going to coat the rim with. And this is just plain sugar with some yellow food coloring. That's just to make it a little fancy so that everybody, so that when you produce it to everybody, they get all excited about it. Okay, so here's the deal with the citron. You can find this is in a good bar, good restaurant. This is bottom shelf. This is bottom shelf vodka. Okay. In a decent bar, it's mid-level. Okay. And when you're making a drink like a lemon drop or say a Cosmo, you don't want to spend you don't want to put these high-end vodkas in there because these vodkas are not smooth. And so what's going to happen is the stuff you put into it is going to smooth it out, especially with it being a flavored vodka. Okay, so you don't want a high-end flavored vodka for this. You never want to make a flavored cocktail with really high-end liquor. It's defeating the purpose. It's like taking Wagyu, grounding it up to make burgers or sliders with it. So, so let's go ahead and get into this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the biggest ones that we have, and we're going to go ahead and squeeze those into our mixing glass. Now I got a small one because I'm just going to make one cocktail, and my martini glasses are not big at all. All right, so you have your lemon juice in there, and that's going to be about a ½ ounce or maybe a little bit more than a ½ ounce. All right, so now that you got that in there, go ahead and get you some ice, and please don't use your refrigerator ice if it's in big cubes or whatever. You want something that's small that the liquor can get all around when you shake it. Now, you go ahead and put you about 2 ounces of liquor. This is a martini, so there's no ice in it. Some simple syrup. There's no ice in it, so you want to put a lot of. You want to give yourself 2 to 3 ounces of liquor. Go ahead and give that a shake. And I'm going to get a martini glass out of the freezer. So I have martini glass already chilled, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lemon here, and I'm going to rub it around the edges. And I'm going to go ahead and get some of this yellow sugar on the rim of it. And I want to You know, what a lot of lazy bartenders do is they get lazy on this step. You know, this is the wow factor right here, folks. So I'm going to give this a really good shake. I'm going to shake this until this thing becomes nice and cold in my hands. And then with that, I'm going to take this top off. And just pour it on in there. And there you have a fresh made lemon drop martini made with citron, absolute citron. So not a white guy, but I'll go ahead and take a couple of sips for you, just to show you and tell you how it tastes. Oh man, that's good. Oh man, that is really good. Well, folks, I don't want to get drunk on you. That's all we have for today. This was just a real quick video. I'm kind of flexing my skills here to let you know I can do more than cook. I can also bartend as well. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button for me. And while you're at it, you want to be a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on everything that is going on at Yes Chef. So, till the next time, we see you. Till the very next video, family. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget, hit the like button. And if you want to be a part of the Yes Chef family, consider hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget, click the notification bell, and that way you'll stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Also consider becoming a member of my Patreon for up close and behind the scene content. And be sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you.